In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Inkscape. Clear zoom control is essential for precise vector editing, whether you're aligning nodes, adjusting paths, or cleaning up tiny details. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. Once it opens, you'll see your workspace with the canvas in the middle and toolbars around the edges. Open an existing document, if you have one, or create a new file so there's something visible to practice with. It doesn't need to be a complex drawing, any shape or imported image is fine, as long as you can see an area you might want to inspect closely. The fastest way to zoom is with the mouse wheel. Hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then scroll the wheel up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. Inkscape zooms toward the spot under your cursor, so point your cursor at the exact feature you want to examine, like a corner, a path intersection, or a small text element, and then scroll while holding Ctrl. Short, steady scrolls give you smooth control and help you avoid overshooting your target. If you're on a laptop touchpad, the same idea applies. Hold Ctrl while you use a two-finger scroll to move in or out. There's also a simple on-screen option. Look to the bottom right corner of the Inkscape window. You'll see a percentage readout that shows your current zoom level, along with small icons beside it. That percentage updates live when you use Ctrl with the mouse wheel, so it's a quick way to confirm exactly how close you are. To zoom in using the interface, click the plus icon next to that percentage. Each click steps you in a bit further, letting you refine your view without relying on the wheel. If the icons look small, hover your cursor over them to make sure you're selecting the right control. As a general guide, 100% gives you a one-to-one view on your display, which is helpful for judging visual weight and spacing. Zoom in when you need to place points accurately or check edges, then zoom back out to evaluate balance and alignment across the whole design. Vector graphics remain crisp regardless of zoom level, so don't hesitate to move in close. Just remember to back out periodically to keep an eye on overall composition. That's it. Launch Inkscape, open or start a document, use Ctrl plus the mouse wheel for quick, targeted zooming, or click the plus icon by the zoom percentage in the bottom right for on-screen control. With these techniques, you'll navigate your canvas confidently and work more precisely from start to finish.